We in the hood right now. Behind me is this duplex. One side of it is $425,000. That's correct, one side. Yes, we in the middle, smack dead in the hood right now. And I'm about to take you inside and I'm gonna show you what you could get for that $425,000. Let's roll. As soon as you step in the hallway, right? Boom. You get your half bath right there. So it's your guest bathroom. So you like to entertain and all of that, then you get your guest bathroom right here. They can, do their thing. Kitchen is straight up 2023. Open floor plan, that's what's in right now, bro. That's what people want. You could be over here cooking, entertaining your peoples. They could be over there watching TV. They go your dining area right there, just all in one spot. So it's a nice stainless steel appliance set. You get everything. He threw in the refrigerator. I love the cabinet size. He didn't go cheap with the cabinets. These are some really nice cabinets. And then you got some cabinet space over here with the island. So, real good use of space. Boom. And then you got a pantry. Come on, son. A pantry? Know what I mean? In the original hood houses, you definitely wasn't getting no pantry. If you're coming over here to the living room area, right? The ceiling fan, put a nice size TV there. There go your deck, there go your fenced backyard. Now what we about to do, we about to go upstairs and see what we got upstairs. There's no bedrooms or anything down here, so all the bedrooms are upstairs. Let's go. So these are your 2 bedrooms over here. Remember guys, it's 3 bedrooms. This is your 2 bedrooms over here. They're both pretty much identical. So we're just gonna step in this one over here. Nice size closet. The double door action, so you get a nice size closet. And that should be the case when you build a new. This is the shared bathroom. It's a shared bathroom, double vanities, which is really in right now. So you gotta do that. Now, you're about to set it off in the master. But before we get to the master, this is your laundry area. Now over here, this is actually a king size bed, so you do have enough room for a king. 2 nightstands, walk-in closet. Definitely a nice amount of space. Definitely a nice amount of space in the closet for you to work with. And this is your master bath. Double vanity, looks like a quartz countertop, stand-up shower. This is extremely nice. I'm hoping the sale's quick. It's about 1,500 square feet that you get for, $425,000. So, let me know what's your thoughts, right? Would you buy this for $425,000? Is $425,000 a lot of money? Where you're at in Charlotte, this is priced just right and it should fly off soon. So comment below. For those who want to get into the real estate game and you just don't know where to get the money from or who to get the money from, check out this video next to me. My man, he's the actual money connect that can lend you money to buy your next real estate deal.